Want to make your Zillow listing pop and attract more potential buyers with immersive 360 photos? Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Zillow.com and log into your account. Make sure it's the account associated with the listing you want to enhance. Once you're logged in, navigate to your agent hub. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen. In the agent hub, select the Listings tab. This will display all the properties you currently have listed on Zillow. Find the listing where you want to add the 360 photo and click on it. This will open the listing details page. On the listing details page, look for an edit button. This will allow you to modify the listing information. Click on the edit button. Now, scroll down to the photo section. You should see an option to add photos or manage photos. Click on that. Look for a specific button that says something like Upload 360 Photo or Add 360 Tour. It might be located near the other image upload options. Click on the Upload 360 Photo button and select the 360-degree image file from your computer. Ensure the image is in equirectangular format, which is the standard for 360 photos. Once the photo is uploaded, you might be prompted to set the initial view or starting point for the 360 photo. Adjust the view to showcase the most appealing aspect of the room. Finally, save your changes now. Your Zillow listing features an engaging 360 photo, giving potential buyers a virtual tour experience. Happy selling!